Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
5 minutes, me uncle.
Me 5 minutes, and say.
And also, Cherry and Tierney say a trouble.
Yes, me did say me Frank Atuni. I'm afraid you are John Dramani Mahama. Emra, ye coadrin crew say on the party in Nimbune, Nipa Brina, no more say, oh, and not John Dramani de obey debut. But ya fahoa be ya be diche, ebimu ekokasa poto ebo ema omunya problem okromua so say abedichi na fa no kwampo edin Sambebri. It brought shivers into the span of the NPP. Oh, the alternative is not good. Omu message you on message you on. And a day your manifesto, the people's manifesto I bo pro any Ghana for could di hun komo. Ye di betuja. O ye di betuja eni anu man kan o gig Sambebri. And check. Ebesha yesi o mampenya Akufo-Addo akoyi 3.65 billion yen fanko tua depositors because ya share boss say ye ba within the first 1 year no ye be clear sasika no so ene etimi convert bonds etimi liquid na ye de tua. It's a good omen ye ni ye nuanu kumawu a omubuama ni penya ehyen eko Brono be or man so the villages and then say traffic jamming ye kroma almost omubua. It mean say the omu ye no ejuma pamum bet e kwa mu faso ye no ye problem. Enti ye ni omu nsin konwa na ye hwe
okada na
ontimi.
Okay, can you preko na feel the one ro. Say ni ti amusi mo chiri Amazon go for enti no. Kan na mo na ka ho. O da asa me bo keke.
Eno munsi kunya na ehwe se
oso mu wa mochiri na mdomba ko tunti we any problem kan preko na yenko hwe mi anu me twa na yeko
omu hawo ye sen se na ebe ye se
hefo na mo hawo
sa ejuma no
enu majo o kasa no wa hawo
subeba yi amagana eni omu enti eni omu sinkunya na eti omu hawo eti omu sufre ya sha omu bo se nyame adom na omu tu ye so aba na ye ba ye be ye nhihye a edi prepare your anasa the pabeba omu ehye no mu kam eye omu twi moto ye be ma omu ntiti yepa ye be ma omu tinabia omu so omu say ejuma no mu ye no so omu comply with the requisite laws of this country.
But I for some now okay.
Make okada.
Okay, all right.
Ye be make sure say obi biara be brono a wodi juma no ye be hwe say abefu kwanso ye be develop an app I be making sure say you are tracking every motor rider baby udi juma so that omo so fan nipa no makoto mu na na so ba ko wi omo no sa ne man nyina ebetimi ye fi ho no enti omo so masom na ye omo eniji na omo say omo di John Dramani Mahama be ko le hwe say nipa dodo okruma so no ukọ ye magazines ahodo a ho na nipa dodo ejuma obehu from the auto electrician, mechanic, straighter, sprayer bibia ohonu omo penya fo na ban akọ parliament according to me say omo be banning salvage cars. Yes, it is a salvage car no e wo mu ahodo nia enye kra de enye say ye di be kroma again so no emra ohod did say car no e di 10 years and above enye say eba the penalties it attract but to say the kind of salvage omo edi ashem emra no some be enuti sa nipa dodo a ewo the magazines of this country no companies of this country no lose omo eduma no eni omo sinkonya ya show omo boss yen de yen fa samra no nyeduma ye be make sure say you guide the process so bia be nyeduma ye as we mobilize to make sure say you are modernizing the state to give opportunity to conglomerates some be assembly plant e wo krom ha e de new cars say nipa benya mortgage. So, on Osubiakoto brand new car no. People within that business should not lose their livelihood. Yeni omaka, omati asiye ene, omaso campaign, omukra no mu champion. Uko the other artisanal trade, hairdressers, seamstress, barbers, any omo amaka ho ohwe tax exemption regime a yede bro omo nyina agye atum ye nuanum kramofo enyom kosi konya ehwe omo how in the inner cities and zongos omo education sem omo health sem eni niama ya tro anaye ni enyom sinkonya achira omo niama ye ba ye di beba omo areas. The number of Arabic scholars training Arabic schools are siamomu training into the health institution, giving some premium to yenianum kremofo. Again, omudi to yenim say kremoni ana muslimini eko hospital na so training kwa. The way I did the faso before me krata seme wi yebe jinu bibi edine tu eya yensem omo hwe omo enti sebeye a ebe hia say within the confinement of every state morgue no aban be hihye say baby surunku ebe wo ho ama muslimi for yedi ombe si aso no ayo omo kratasem ebe form ene yo krumu ha
every state morgue in Zongos or where
we have not is there any morgue in Zongo state morgue be or Zongo okruma
no but in your manifesto that is what is
there. Did we say building
you said you are going to facilitate the building of mortuaries in the Zongo communities. That's what
it's a lie. Go and read the manifesto.
That's what is there.
Go and read the manifesto.
That is what is there, my brother.
Don't do this to yourself.
You
are a senior journalist. Stop it.
What is that?
It is not right to say
what is there? What is there?
I am telling you what is in the manifesto. You are telling me what
say it again.
So did you wait to listen to me before you came?
Please.
You interjected rudely.
Tony, I won't take this disrespect from you.
Okay, you interjected wrongly.
No, please listen. A discussion here.
Yes.
Give me respect. I give you respect.
I give you respect.
But
you know that.
You don't.
But you interjected wrongly.
No, you don't. You don't determine when I ask you questions. You understand?
I was explaining what the modalities is, and
you mean
state morgue? Maybe
someone say. But you have that in your manifesto.
It is not right.
What is there in your manifesto?
Listen to me again. Yeni kremofo sinkonya.
No, ye dia woni dia woman.
The manifesto am yoga kanu. The manifesto mu say
what is in the manifesto?
But will you listen to me?
I'm listening.
Ye ka manifesto mu bia say. Yes, see.
Zongo mo chere.
Yeah, facilitating and making sure say state morgue biano ye create a morgue
state morgue of fucking
uko 37 uko reach uko go and read it. If you fail to read, I will not explain anything. For me, I am there. Say the fraternity of the Muslim community have held this promise. They have accepted it. And then, Manusu
simple question. And a womb.
Obi ti say ora Dr. Baumudu Baumia. Manusu Siminasu. And then Odani Nikrasi say he's not going to be buried in 24 hours. He's going to be at least Anyekra 4 days. Where are they going to keep him?
Find him, keep him there.
Where his body will
keep him.
So, in accordance with Islamic customs, we need a place for them. Yenka Obebia say, any manifesto say, you could see more Zongos. It is a moon, why you can answer mischief. Live in your mischief. The people who are benefiting from that promise, they are happy. And then no, and now bunk of you and so they are now working without having a message. For me, I'm so happy. Say that I have a leader. I have a leader, John Dramani Mahama. Because I have a running mate. Now Pokwajiman. In Sambia Mudi to Jano. We are speaking to the reality of the Ghanaian plight. Ghana fasting and say gentlemen mama to us and can mufua banks a good groma a chrono and a cost for that sector in the name of 22 billion Ghana cedis. Banking sector cleanup, but we don't even see what has been done there. I believe that will not happen because as at the time committee 22 billion some year banking sector cleanup. Now banks now only 9 billion cedis to capitalize. But we believe that giving the Ghanaian the state power to be able to develop is better than creating the enabling environment for expatriates to come and take over. And then how do we calculate? You calculate GDP. What is GDP? When countries like Germany, Japan, and all other foreign countries are calculating GNP, gross national product, not GDP. And then you have companies like MTN.
Since when
Tony Sifam.
Now, you see the no. So Ghana would have a stake under John Dramani Mahama, and I believe say a nyuma waye nyawaye and kofu say waye from so enti osimeba me beboa ama nyina enya ntuma pafra enti divisive governance will not continue. Family and friend governance, the corruption in this country will never be entertained again.
Peace FM 104.3 Would you mean